Ooh. Let's go. Oh, hope that damn bug ain't coming. That's my boy Only Up West, man. Great day, great day, great day, man. I've been let the dogs out. They've been out since like 5 something, man. You know, we normally go out like 6 or 7, somewhere around that time. 8 or 9 is really late for us. So, and what time is it, boys? It's 8:15 right now. That's my boy Only Up West, man. Building his cabin in paradise. I'm ready to head to Texas and get the building, man, so I can show y'all some of these buildings and show y'all some of my properties. I'm beyond anxious, man. I'm excited. I'm ready. You're watching other people's builds, man. Like, yeah.
Got what I need. One weird cuts, but they should work. So, that's the first piece. We got the first piece up there, and I went ahead and took it over there to the other board and traced it out and marked it so I can cut that out whenever I'm ready, because they're going to be the exact same. But now from here, since we got this piece, this is the notch cut that I was talking about. From here, we gotta take the same notch cut and put it on the very end of one of those 16-foot boards, and then we're gonna go from here to the very top. Now, this one's gonna be more tricky because I gotta figure out the angle cut that it's gonna go, because it's gonna be facing against this board and it's also gonna go under the board. So I gotta figure that out next. Yep. It's gonna be like that, but I want this.
Great day, great day, great day, great day. What time is it? It's 2:24, man. Great day, great day. It's beautiful. Gotta pop my top out here, man. It's so hot. 89, 90 degrees, man. Plants looking good. We got some flowers starting. They're off to a good start. They had a little cold spell, but they off to a good start. We off to a good start. We got some little clusters coming in. Everywhere we look, everywhere we're planting, we got a little something. We got a little something going on. A little something. You know, and then to brag about or nothing, but we definitely got flowers starting. We got little flowers starting. You know, we definitely got flowers starting in the flower garden. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Just hear the sounds of the birds, man. The cars in the distance. So beautiful, man. Trees, you know, manicured lawn, the hedges. My elephant ears. All the pots on the ground, well, everything got elephant ears in. You know, got some more pots ready. And I got a tote ready too. Stuff ready. Yeah. I had these out there last year. I mean, ready for them. You know, man, ready. Now I got big dirt. Fill them up with some dirt, some flowers. Great day, man. Wealthy Gardens. Definitely the Wealthy Gardens. You ready to come in, baby? You got hot? Watch out. Move back. What's up, y'all? What y'all got going on? Waiting on my ride. Ready to go get the car. Trying to get there by 5 o'clock. It's like 4:40. So I figure if I can walk up the street, catch my people before they get to the corner, I ain't got to drive all the way down the street. And we could be out of here a minute or two faster, catching the light. I ain't walked this far in a long time. How you doing? All right. What's that? A minute 30. Walk to one corner. I'm making it up to the main corner from my street. Around where my mailbox at. I ain't walked to the mailbox in years, to be honest. I ain't know if I could still walk up here. Turn it off so I don't get copyright. That's nice, man.
Can I get you to sign that?
Nice. Them tires, boy. Car back out the shop. Sounding good. They said my throttle body was sticking. So they cleaned my throttle body and checked everything out. Tune up and oil change. Gave it a once over, checked everything out, brakes, pads, all that type stuff, shocks, suspension, everything. I told him go ahead and give it a once over for road ready inspection. Told him I'm gonna get on the highway to Texas. Push come to shove, I might drive this car. Even if I don't drive this car now, like at some point in time, I'm over the next month or two, I'll be driving my car or truck back and forth to Texas. So, I mean, I want to make sure all my vehicles is ready. You know what I mean? A fresh oil change. Got 3,000-4,000 miles to get into. We got the next oil change, like all the regular stuff. But back on that, make sure the AC jumping. Does everything. Make sure back from the shop. Everything. Yeah. Got to overlook. Got to go over your stuff, man. It's yours. Got to appreciate your stuff. Take care of it. Keep it maintained. It goes with every aspect of life, man. Everything you got. VA Hemi life, man. I mean, Mopar, man. Mopar Hemi life, man. We're going up to V10s and V12s soon. V16. You know what them 16s is. Yeah? I know what them 16s is. We Cullinan life. You know what I'm saying? Ghost Phantom and Cullinan life. We there soon, man. Definitely there soon. We got the property, we got the businesses. We got the buff, some of those. We're gonna bring it in, man. Legacy tees, $10, man. Legacy tees, $10. Fresh white legacy tees, $10. They were from the post office, man. Oh, crazy on receipt from the post office, man. I said, you know, shipping and receiving and stuff, man. Nowadays you got to drop stuff off at the United States Post. You got to pay shipping and handling, man. You got to pay your stuff, man.
Bluetooth mode.
People want their stuff, you got to ship it to them from where you at. UPS, drop shipping, merchant services. Be able to print your shipping labels and everything directly out. Yeah. It all works. It all works. Good business, big business, man. Trying to get bigger. Trying to get bigger. Big business. Man. Check the legend, man. It's my legacy, man. My legacy, my fashion, man. Legacy fashion. It's my clothing company. Legacy the Gorilla. It's one of my clothing lines. You know, it's your legacy tees, man. It's your legacy tees. Man, stand on the corner and sell these joints, man. Get your legacy tees, man. Legacy tees, man. $10, man. Legacy tees, man. $10. You know, try and build houses and developments, man.
Alright, feed these dogs.